Good evening, all. Welcome to the Architectural Review Board meeting of December 16, 2025. I have to let everybody know we only have 3 board members here tonight. We do have a quorum. We need 3 votes to approve or disapprove an application. And if anybody does not want to be heard until we have a full board, you have to tell us before we hear your application. Is there anyone that does not want to be heard tonight? I assume you all want to be heard? Yes? Okay. Let's just go over who's present here tonight. Anybody here for 279 Sunset and Sexton's Realty and 73 Oak Street? You're here on what?
Just observing.
I'm sorry?
Just observing.
I still didn't hear you.
Just observing.
Okay. Any particular application?
No, just all.
Okay. Let's start with Friendship Ender LLC, 279 Sunset Avenue. This is a 2-story single-family dwelling, 7 bedrooms, 8.5 bathrooms, over a finished basement with a cellar entrance, an egress well, attached 2-car garage, a roofed-over entry patio, partially roofed over rear patio with a balcony above, a fireplace, in-ground pool with a patio and enclosure fence, conversion of a detached garage for a cabana, dry cabana, with a roofed over patio, driveway, sanitary, and landscaping.
Right.
Is that you?
Yes.
Yes.
Come on up. Okay, can you give us your name?
My name's Matthew Pantafel.
Jennifer Pansfeld, we're the builders.
You're the builders?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have permission to represent the owner?
Oh, I'm also the owner.
You're also the owner?
Yes.
So which comes first, builder or owner?
Both.
Both. Okay. You want to tell us about the application?
Yeah, so it's a house that's going to be cedar siding, and I think it'll fit nice into the neighborhood. It's got 4 bedrooms upstairs, 1 on the main level, 2 in the basement. The garage is already existing. We're just gonna convert it into a cabana, and we want to put a pergola on it so it'll look nice by the pool. And we're gonna put a pool in. Let me see what else I can tell you.
Black asphalt roof and then standing seam roof over the front door with black gutters too. And black AZAC.
And then we're gonna have a bluestone driveway. That's
Do you have a,
Belgian block.
do you have a checklist? Did you fill out a
Yes,
checklist?
I did fill it out.
Is this it?
Yeah,
Yeah, this right here.
yep.
Any change on it?
No, this is Sunset.
Okay.
Black shingles, natural cedar.
So you're gonna start out with roof material? This is the issue.
Yeah,
So usually, to help you through, just
I
explain
think
this
you'd
to
like
us.
to go in the order of it.
Yeah, that kind of helps us out. Thank you. So roof material is,
Black asphalt for the main roof and then right over the front door would be the standing seam roof.
What color is the metal roof?
Like a black too.
Is it a matte finish?
Yeah,
Definitely.
if you want it to be, yes.
Yes.
Okay, and the siding?
The siding is cedar, natural shingles.
Okay, you're gonna leave it natural?
Yes,
So it'll gray?
yeah.
Yeah, eventually gray over time.
Okay, your trim is AZAC
Yeah,
color
black.
and doors?
Well, the front door will be black.
Solid black?
Yeah. Well, it's gonna have a window in it, but the rest
Yeah.
of it is black.
I believe it's like. You do it.
Purpose.
looks brown here.
Wood entry door with bronze hardware. So there's gonna be a window in the door.
Yeah,
Is it like that's on the drawing on the proposed east elevation?
excuse me?
The light,
Yeah, just overlooking it.
yeah. I believe I attached when I brought it in what the outdoor lighting would look like around the
Just,
house.
we're asking about the door.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Yeah.
the front door.
Yeah.
Those would be the window, those are,
Inside of the folder,
In here?
the folder that I gave now, yours. The blue folder, yeah. You have it,
Okay.
Okay, so you got us down, now you're on the windows.
yeah, the windows are gonna be Colby with, black trim around them.
No shutters,
No
No
shutters.
shutters.
and then your garage door, there's two of them, right?
Yeah, there's a picture from the company in the main folder that I attached, but just like traditional black door.
And lights, the lights will be on,
They're gonna have like a black finish, but white window, they kinda look like lantern lights, they're also in the folder. I'm not sure.
It's not gonna be a B and B, right?
No, no.
So they're talking
That's
about
a
the
good-
trim being black.
this, right,
What are the,
ah,
you're saying that the trim is gonna be black.
Yes.
What does this represent, this orange color?
The rendering doesn't match.
the rendering is different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The rendering doesn't match.
Yeah, he made that cedar, but it's really supposed to be black.
Same with the door, the front door.
Uh-huh, so,
Is that okay?
Well, we wanna know what you're,
yeah,
We're asking.
Yeah, so that's black cedar, the fascia. But he drew it as
and the corner boards,
the architect,
and the corner boards?
all black.
corner boards,
Okay.
so that's, just looks different on the rendering.
Yeah.
And the columns are black also,
Yes.
right, and the, yeah, yeah. Okay, that's the other thing. Concrete.
All right, and what about the cabana? You have drawings of the cabana?
No, I do not have drawings of the cabana, but if you'd like, we can give you
Is it
drawings.
gonna match the house?
Yes,
It's gonna be black AZAC around.
I'm sorry?
It's gonna be have black AZACs, the same bolts and everything.
we're gonna do the same siding on that as well.
Okay, but we need drawings.
Okay.
Just bring those.
Is there any chance we could have approval on the house, but not on the cabana, and then we come back for the cabana?
There is a good chance.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah,
Okay, but we're gonna ask you to mark up the drawings to change the trim to black,
okay,
And the
okay?
door, and the
Okay.
front door,
okay.
that's also black.
And
Oh, that's-
could you talk about the fence at all?
We haven't got the landscaping,
Okay.
we'll finish the house and then we'll.
All right, any other questions on the house? Okay, can
I
we go
don't, I
to,
think that's fine.
you have questions?
No, they were answered.
All right, can we talk about the site? Describe the site,
So,
the approved and fence.
right. It's gonna be all, green giants going around the whole property. And, we have a couple of, what are these? No, those aren't maple, those are,
Boxwood, crepe myrtle.
Creek run out down Sunset,
Couple
right?
creek-
When you look at the
Yeah.
house, it's that what's going in the front first.
Yeah.
okay, in the first, we're gonna leave, there's a big tree there, so we're gonna leave that. The other trees unfortunately fell in the driveway and stuff,
Knock the
but,
pole down, but.
what's that?
They knocked the pole down.
Yeah. Well, that was actually my guy who knocked the bolts. But this is a nice, and it's, has two trunks coming up, so it's a nice tree, and it'll
Nice.
look mature, you know, when we're all done, it'll look more mature. But, we have a crepe myrtle in front, two crepe myrtles in the back. In front, we have all, what are those again?
Oxwood.
Boxwoods and everything. I think it's gonna be beautiful when it's done.
And where's the pool equipment gonna go?
The pool equipment will probably go behind the, either behind or on this side.
Of the cabana.
Well, you wanna have me
Yeah,
mark
make
that?
sure that,
Yeah, we can mark it.
So my question is, because I don't know
You
if
already asked one question. You want-
Yes. So, I'm not sure what your ruling is on the pool equipment, on how, close it could be to the property line. So, if I'm impinging over,
10 feet.
oh, 10 feet?
I think you'll be okay.
So we're looking at how you're gonna shelter
Yeah.
Yeah,
the equipment.
yeah.
so we're gonna write pool equipment. And then we usually put a fence around it. So then let's just write this. So,
Be protected by natural,
yeah, well, we usually put a 6-foot fence around, and then we put bushes around that.
Well, can you mark it on that plan?
sure.
I think you, didn't he?
So here, now, this is the, then what is there any fence here?
Yes.
Coming back to the pool?
No, so there's a,
There, behind the driveway.
so it goes on either side here, and then along all the trees, we have a fence, so that the whole thing is fenced in, that people can't come in.
Can you mark it on that plan?
Yes.
The height and the type of the fence?
Okay. I'm gonna draw it over here, but it's,
Turn the other way.
what's that?
Put the point down, put the black down. Will go better for you. There you go.
Like the height and the type then.
So that's a 4-foot wire fence, you know, the black wire? Right here, well, it's right, black. Wire, and I believe it's 1 inch by 1 inch square holes.
Okay, and you have two gates, are they decorative gates?
So in the front, I usually put a wood gate, and those are decorative.
Usually.
Yeah, yes.
And
so
what about,
this time, we'll do the same. So I do a picket fence. And actually, if you don't mind, I'd like to paint it black, if that's okay. Yes? To have the fence black instead of white?
It's in the back, right?
No, it's in
No, it's in
front,
the
It's
front.
in the sides, kind of.
on the side.
No, it's coming off the
See,
sunset.
come off the side,
One is on the north side, one is on the south side.
yeah.
Really?
To have it match the house, because all the trim was black.
Or you can make it cedar.
You okay with that?
Yeah, fine, fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think
So
that's
let me
even
just
better.
make
No
a
white.
fence, and let's just write black.
Okay, so over here now, where is,
No.
for the house, the air conditioning and all of that?
It's
Over
right
to
here,
It's on the north side.
Far north side.
And that's gonna be covered with what?
bushes. Bushes.
So you have an entrance gate off of Sunset, right, coming into the drive?
Yeah,
There's gonna be a gate there with lights or no lights?
Where's our entrance gate?
Isn't there an
So
entrance gate?
usually,
Usually,
so in this case,
In this case,
no, I was gonna.
what you,
We're not gonna do it, we don't do a gate at the end of the drive, if that's what you were asking.
I'm asking
At the
that.
end of the drive,
I am, no.
just
just the,
Coming
yeah,
off of
just an
Sunset
apron
Avenue.
going in on the driveway.
Right.
And this is the old driveway that used to be there.
yes.
Yes,
Right.
Then you're gonna run all of these.
yes,
okay, so there's no entrance gate,
no.
no columns.
No, there's columns in front of the house, but there's nothing,
No entrance
No,
gate.
no, no, no.
Column.
Nothing by the entrance.
Okay.
Do you have any other
Right,
questions? on
no,
this?
but that, I
You okay
just
with
wanted
that?
to ask
You're
that,
okay
yeah.
with the black fence?
Yep, I like the black
You okay
fence.
with that? So do you want to make a motion to approve this application for the house only, subject to receiving drawings for the cabana?
I'll make that motion.
How much time do you need to give us?
I'll second it.
You gotta sign this, by the way.
Okay, I'm sorry. Unfortunately, the
Initial
auction,
and date that?
oh,
It's
Then-
12/16. Who's asking the date?
can I say, within 2 weeks?
You
That
can
gives my
say that.
architect, a little time to move his butt around.
Okay. So
'Cause-
you'll submit the drawings to Daniela?
You want this one or a new one? That's,
I'm talking about
Just the
the cabana.
oh, yeah, of course,
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you.
We'll be asking you the same questions we asked about the house when we do the cabana.
No
just to
problem.
Help you out.
So
Okay,
we'll
down to
put
it,
this
the last
on
one.
there.
Okay?
January 20th meeting.
Terrific. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, can we get a motion to approve this application for the house only
I think,
and hold over the change of the garage to be converted to a pool house?
Make the motion?
Do we have a
second it.
Those in favor?
aye.
Aye, thank you. Another question?
You really get the phone.
After all this, it goes back to the building inspector, and then he's gonna look at it and tell you if he's gonna look for you or not.
Thank you so
As
much.
long as we don't get any more snow.
By the end of the week.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Okay, if you could sign that one.
Anywhere? Here? Looks like
Any-
that.
Pick a spot.
Okay. There you go. Are you in?
Yeah, man.
One more signature.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay, did you bring drawings?
Yeah, I have the updated,
Okay.
and I have the site plan.
Are you folks ready in the back?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, we didn't get anything from you yet, so we didn't get an opportunity to look at it. Can we take your application next? This is David Blackburn, 73 Oak Street. This is a two-story, single-family dwelling, 5 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, over a partially finished basement with a cellar entrance and egress well, a covered entry porch, gas fireplace, rear roofed over porch, front and rear roof deck balconies, in-ground swimming pool with a patio at grade, an enclosure fence, hot tub, sanitary driveway, and landscaping. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Eric Peterson, Architects. After our last meeting together, we took the board's
I'm going to
comments.
ask you to speak a little louder.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Yeah, after the last board's meeting, we took the board's comments about context, about the materials, and went back to redesign the appearance of the house. And again, the feel of the house, we're looking for a beach house, so we went with more typical materials with the natural cedar shingle roof and siding, along with horizontal siding along the front, and then introducing the 2 gables that run on each side. So this was where we landed in terms of a design that better integrated into the community as a pitched roof, using common materials that you see, again, with the natural cedar siding and shingles. And for a modest size home on Oak Street, the scale was important, so that's why we wanted to go with 2 smaller gables instead of just like a larger single gable that would span across the entire width of the house. So again, we're regrouping after that first meeting. This is our next iteration, showing, again, that we listened to your comments and we tried to really integrate some of the suggestions you had for us.
Okay. You have samples that you want to show us or anything?
With the samples I had last time, I should have brought again. They're just the natural, again, it would be a 1x4 for any of the horizontal siding that you see on the gable side. And then the remaining roof and sidewall would be just a regular cedar shingle, natural.
I have a couple of questions.
Do you have a checklist?
Yes, I submitted that to,
This,
yeah, that was revised to reflect.
we don't have a copy of this.
You have that? I don't have that.
I'm attached to the ones to sign.
This is for 279, but we don't have one for,
Do you have a copy of it?
Yeah, if you have a copy, that'd be great.
It's not inside of that folder.
I don't know.
you won't.
Are you talking about the blue one?
The one that goes to the side.
Oh,
We've got our copies, we didn't get one.
yeah. Well, this is sensitive.
Take a look, make sure.
Okay.
Yeah, it was sent, it was not printed with each individual, but there for sure is an updated.
Yeah, that
very
we fixed.
form. Yeah, exactly, it was, I'm happy to pass it.
If we
but-
could- It wouldn't be in that. If he has.
I'm sorry about that. But yeah, both roofing, siding, and trim.
Daniela,
Yeah, maybe not.
In the interest of time, I have a couple of questions.
Sure.
Your rendering, or your drawing SKO.01 shows exterior,
No, we're on to oak.
okay, a little confused here.
That's okay.
So this and this,
Yeah, I'm sorry, A200, if you're looking for the corresponding line elevation, yeah, exactly, that
that's
packet.
the one that has the two different,
Yes, but that's not, this is, that's that other one.
I'm sorry if they
I
weren't
know where you were
stable.
at, though. I know what you're thinking.
this elevation,
Yes,
are these cedar shingles?
correct. Yeah, effectively, all the materials are cedar.
Right.
Is it the same cedar on all sides of the house?
Western red cedar for the roof and the sidewall. And then
Sorry?
Western red cedar shingles for the roof and the sidewall, roughly like 6-inch exposure. And then on the gable end facing the street, it's a you can see it's a horizontal. So you figure it's either a 1x4 or 1x6. Yeah, cedar. Yeah, natural.
Okay, this is the front,
Correct.
That's the front.
Yes.
the back
That's
has
cedar.
pool on it, so.
Yes. Yeah, that's facing Oak Street. And again, all materials are cedar.
Is the front of the house cedar shingles?
That's the horizontal siding is cedar, and that's within
On this
the,
elevation, what is this? I'm gonna ask you to come around.
oh, yeah,
Yeah.
The perspective is at an angle, obviously.
That's right.
That obviously is cedar shingle, and then the rest of it would be like a 1x6 or 1x4 cedar.
Okay, so the front of the house is
This is the
cedar
front.
shingles.
With this
Technically,
going,
no.
Technically, no.
Because that's because the perspective shows, if I touch the, that wall right there is technically the left side elevation, right? That's the south side. So the front is really just this plane. I'm just, in terms of, so this is all horizontal cedar, like 1x6 for the fascia that wraps around, and the soffit. And then the sidewalls, we'll call it the sidewalls, would be cedar shingle, and the roof would be cedar shingle. So what faces the street is cedar siding, but it would just be horizontal 1x6.
Except this part, which is shingle. Well, that's what you're showing.
Correct. I mean, it's facing, not the front of the house, though. It's,
It
that's,
is part of, this is your front elevation.
for sure, yeah. And just, if you were.
So without mixing words here, the front of your house has two different cedar materials. One being shingles.
Correct.
The other being horizontal.
Yes, yeah, we tried to, it's just two different material types.
Okay,
I'm sorry, yeah, it's just technically when you look at the left side elevation, but as you drive in, that's what you would see. So yes, that is within view of the front elevation.
and then the
you
back,
take it.
the back doesn't have shingles. So this is the,
So looking at this, there's two quads here, right? The wraparound, and this material is also over here,
Yes,
correct? Because you got two spaces.
correct, so the face of that, the inside of that, and the face
It's the
of
same
that-
as this.
No, yeah, so I mean, for simplicity, if you look at the line elevation.
this,
So if you're looking at this in really deep swell, the sides are all cedar shingle, so that's why I'm saying like that view right there is technically a side elevation, but I can appreciate that that's the front of the house.
This represents the front of the house.
Absolutely, it's not, you can't see that on the front elevation, obviously, because
these are
it's
shingles.
in the sidewalk.
But if you're looking at it facing,
With the wall,
Oak Street.
right?
I'm looking at you, you're the front of the house, there's two of you, and those two squares run up and down.
Correct.
With shingles on one side and the planks on the other.
Yeah, so the inside of the,
That's the question you asked.
And this side of the house here, this side of the house?
Is all, yeah, so any side of the A-frame is cedar shingle, and the faces are all horizontal. So that's all cedar shingle. Shingle, like, you know, cedar shingle roof with the sides. Yeah.
And this side also?
Correct. Yeah.
And is that shown on this plan?
Yeah, and that's the cedar, this has been reduced, so the reproduction, let's say, doesn't capture the line elevation, but
Wood railing. Yeah. Right?
the intent is that the roof plane and the sidewall plane are the same material, so that the roof just rolls down the face.
Goes down the side.
What's here?
Correct. Yeah, this is the same material. This is all cedar shingle.
Where does it say that?
Cedar shingle. Cedar shingle. I mean, it's just the reduction. I mean, that I'm happy to draw another point on it and colorize it if necessary, but that, yeah, so.
So you,
It's just inset. That's just a little bit of a relief, so that, it's not in the same
okay,
thing.
but do you understand why?
Yeah, I think it's
I'm reading the drawing and, okay,
I apologize. Yeah, no, that should have had an extra.
okay, so then let's go to the left side elevation.
And that's the same. But I think last time we actually had the color elevations in the elevations to make it easier to understand.
Okay,
This is
so
the line elevation.
let's clear up the
Yes, so
left side elevation.
same, I'm gonna just take that, yes. So that,
It's hard to read that. It's
that,
hard to see.
and that are all upside down. But and then this is the,
Yeah, that I can see.
you know, the one
That is
before.
it.
Yeah,
Okay, but here you have horizontal lines.
true.
Okay,
Yeah,
it's
right.
not representing shingles.
For sure, yeah. And like I said last time, I apologize. Last time I had the reduced colored elevations, the parallel, which is easier for our discussions.
Okay, so I don't know if you want to mark up. He's saying that all of these are gonna be shingle, even though
Right,
it's.
not,
Yeah,
not the
Right.
horizontal.
Yeah,
Right,
anything except the front.
right.
Okay. What else you want to do on this?
I'm just looking at the chimney, stucco.
Chimney
Yeah,
stucco.
that's the only stucco that remains. All the other stucco has been removed based on the feedback last time.
Okay.
The
Lighting.
windows were added to that one
Yes.
side there.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
We also added. We attempted to listen to as many
remember.
comments, obviously.
Looks a lot better.
Thank you, yeah.
And the lighting?
The lighting, a lot of it where we have flat ceilings, porch ceilings will be recessed, which there's opportunities at the front door and the rear porches with the balconies. I would say that any other remaining ones would be a minimal, like dark bronze, something like a downlight, dark sky compliant for any sconces that would appear on either side of the door. Second floor balconies, where we wouldn't put lights on the soffits in the gables, you know, I don't think that would be appropriate. So where we would put,
We need to know where on
yeah.
this.
Yeah, well, you know, obviously, all these would be handled by the recessed lights of the flat ceiling, and then flat ceiling, and where we would need them up here, we would just have two sconces on each side of the door, and those would be, you know, 18 inches long, something, you know, narrow, minimal, and a downlight. So, but nothing up in the gable up top, so we cast light down.
Is it on this?
I'm happy to add that, I'm sorry if that wasn't on there.
We'll do it on the
That was
same one.
the-
Yeah, and I know that the landscape architect did a better job of accounting for all the Brown
Okay.
light. So if I can borrow a pen.
There you go.
Okay.
Make it open. Just like a regular pen. There you go.
Nice.
Do you have any questions? Do you want to come up?
I mean, I think we, as Eric said, we tried to conform with, the suggestions that you made. And I think it's going to be a great house. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It's like,
What are you saying?
I said, that I don't know what else to say. I mean,
No, I'm just saying, asking if you're okay with these changes. You're the owner.
Yeah, you have to tell us that you're happy with he's putting in.
I'm very happy with what's going on. Honestly, I was a little confused with the pushback that we got the first time with that flat roof. That's what I didn't really
Okay.
understand.
So now with the changes that you've made on the drawing, we were just trying to clarify what's shingle and what's horizontal cedar.
Right.
Okay, because the drawings don't clearly represent that.
Okay.
But I think that he's
Yeah.
clarified it now. Want to make sure you're okay with it?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. And you're converting the shed? What are you doing with the shed?
There is no, is there a show on there?
No,
No, that's on two
that's the
279.
other one.
That's 279.
Proposed shed.
I think we were looking at maybe having a shed, at some stage to up onto to one side at the back.
Okay, so
Just to store things.
the shed,
Garage.
the shed that you're showing on the drawing is not here?
On the site plan, I believe it's just a residential solar bed, so there's no drawing for that.
Here's what we talked about.
Yeah, is that whether that's a manufactured shed or pre-built?
He's saying there's no
On the
shed.
property.
On the back. I don't know, to be honest with you. I mean, I mean, my understanding of it was that there was going to be a temporary shed put there to store building materials whilst we built it. And
I'm just asking,
Yeah.
your site plan shows the shed. You're telling me there's no shed proposed.
there will be a shed, yes, so I would take that as
Eventually,
being a
he'll have to
shed.
come back with plans for a shed. By the sounds of it. There's no shed there now. And the pool equipment is over
We'll
here.
get there in a minute. Let's finish with this
Yeah,
one.
thank you.
But let's finish that first.
And the garage doors and stuff?
Cross out that shed.
Yeah, thankfully there are no garage doors there.
No garage
No
doors.
attachment.
No garage.
No garage.
The garage.
Okay.
Okay. If you can cross out that shed,
For the purpose of this application, we'll remove it, okay?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna pass through.
there you go. We can only go by what's on the drawings. And that's still the location for your pool equipment?
Yeah, I think that allows for a proposed shed in the future. That's the desirable spot, but we don't have.
If you don't put a shed, but you put the pool, you're gonna have the pool equipment. How are you gonna cover it?
Yeah, right now she's, the landscape architect can comment on that, but there's a 4-foot height hedge and enclosure around the pool equipment. I think the challenge of these drawings is that they've been reduced to microfiche, but, yeah, there is an enclosure and screen fencing
The
around that.
application has no shed. Okay.
Sorry about
Okay, you can initial, before we go away,
that. I'll do that too.
initial and date that, initial and date these.
And where's the air conditioning and stuff for the house?
That's the favorite. We've got the condensers in, are we on the side yard or is there a,
They're gonna be on the south side of the house.
okay. So that's behind the, well, just for reference, we'll put them over there. We have to figure out, not in front of a window, obviously, but, so there'll be in the middle of the home, basically on the south side. I'll note that on here.
And that would be shielded by what?
Is there a code for that? Do you have to have an enclosure? Or do they have, I have to check what the minimum setback is, if it's 10 feet.
Okay.
We have the 10 feet, it's just a
Right.
question of if they require any other like solid material in front of them. I know they need a certain amount of airflow around the unit.
Well, normally people cover it. I mean, you don't say covered over, but you block them from view.
Right.
Yeah.
Natural, some kind of.
And you're not asking you to build a,
Got it, structure around it. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah, we have, I think the hedge is along the.
I think you would like it when you walk out, you don't want to look at your air conditioner. Oh,
Yeah, exactly.
I think that
Been there,
location-
done that.
I think, yeah, if it's located on the side yard within a planting bed, I think we'll have, it's not visible from the southern.
We need to mark it in.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
What's driveway, gravel?
Is it a crushed stone?
It's, yeah, it's permeable.
Come on up.
Yeah.
So you have to keep popping up.
Might as well just say it here. Yes, it's permeable gravel driveway.
There's no gate,
No gate.
no post at
Coming
the
in.
driveway. Do you have any other questions?
And any lighting in the property itself?
We haven't gotten that far. If there is, it would all be dark sky compliance, fully shielded, just downlighting.
Like path lighting, right?
Path lighting and then downlighting the specimen trees.
Any other?
I'm good.
Yeah, so far so good.
You good? You good? Okay, can we get a motion to approve this application as noted on these drawings?
I'll make the motion.
Do we have a second?
I'll second it.
Those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Okay, good luck.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you very much.
Take care.
Take care.
Thank you.
Have a nice holiday.
Happy holiday.
Okay, if you could sign that one. Okay, next we have the application, the holdover for Sexton's Realty, 123 Main, 132 Main Street. This is a sign plan for Sexton's Commons. How are you?
Good, how are you guys doing?
Okay, how are you doing?
Alright, so I had the adjustments there. We changed it from the original border that was inset, it was about a half an inch wide. This is now 3/4 wide, extended to the edge so that it pops more against the building. Then this,
You're saying it's recessed?
no, just this inline here
Yeah.
is inside. So now this is extended to the edge of the sign.
Okay, did we ask for a 1 inch?
I didn't get a specific measurement, I think you just asked me to make it wider. We can do 1 inch if you want.
What do you,
is 3
We want
I
it to be
think so.
more,
Yeah, bold.
okay.
Stick it
like
out.
that.
So
Yeah.
if we can get a 1-inch
One
border,
Okay,
Yeah.
you can do one.
and what else was there?
Then you asked me to just label the units on the site plan, so those are labeled and highlighted. And the last thing was the sign in the front, the entry sign. It's
Right.
2 feet from the ground to the bottom of the sign.
Right.
So we discussed planners, but I mean, it's so low, I don't know if we really need it, because it's, you know, you already have some push there. So I think it's only 2 feet from the sign starts, so.
And then this stays red?
Yeah,
This
that
stays
was
red?
all okay, I think we talked about that design being fine, it was just from the post, you didn't want too much
Right.
post exposed,
Right.
so,
Like something around the post, is what we're talking about.
I'm sorry.
Like
Just, yeah, go.
something around the post.
Something like,
But
just
we
like,
have a
it.
planner there, that's, like I said, it's 2 feet to the bottom, so, but yeah.
I think it'll look nice. Village graphics, and each one of them is
They're all
that?
in there, the 14.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so
Right.
it was just the.
Yeah,
those starts
okay.
to come in the future, right?
Okay, good.
I'm sorry?
And the fill up the ones you don't want to carry yet.
Yes, exactly, there's a couple units that have no signs, there's a couple that have green signs still, a couple that have different ones, so
All right,
just
so
bring everything to uniform.
2 things. First of all, we wanted all the green signs off
Yes.
and all the blue signs go in.
So all of the units will be meeting, I think this Friday, they have a meeting as a group, and they will be discussing, you know, proceeding with the project, but I've already let them know that it's gonna be in the same time frame. Everybody has to change the new system.
Oh.
Okay. Do we have to write anything up, or is that gonna?
I think you might wanna just put in that, you know, give it a set, like 60 days or, you know, 90 days or whatever number of days that all the green signs will be removed. And then, you know, just to have a set date.
So you say, like, we say 60 days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it,
Is that enough
We
time?
do 90 just in case, because
Yeah.
I'm working with different people,
Right.
and some of them.
and that's, it's just to remove the green signs because
Before putting up.
before putting them up, you know, like, it's
Yeah.
just to get rid of them and then and then you can put up.
From there, okay,
Yeah.
yeah, that works.
Okay, and how can we confirm a 1-inch border?
Do you want me to write something on there? I can
Have her write it and
down,
sign it,
and then
yeah.
I can email, the updated ones to Danielle.
You can wait the 90
That'd be
days on
great.
that too.
Okay. You mind if I borrow your pen? That's great, thanks.
Now you turn it the other way. It's a pen. Here, show you. This way.
Oh, wow, it's like the calligraphy. Oh, wow.
Fancy.
It's a feather and.
There you go.
Old school writing.
Did you have any questions?
Lantern a little closer.
What is your name? Robert Culver. Robert Culver?
Culver. Remember Culver?
Sure.
There you go. One of the crew.
You should bring popcorn next time.
Watching the show.
Okay. So 1-inch border extended to the edge, 60 days to remove green signs. You want my signature as well, and the date?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Alrighty. So can we get a motion to approve this sign plan
I'll make the motion to approve.
and approve the scope of the lettering as depicted on the village graphics?
And I'll make that motion as well.
Okay,
I'll second it.
those in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Great. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Good luck with your meeting.
We would have had this, I thought we were gonna drop this off 2 weeks ago.
But I thought you
Yeah.
could approve it without the forum, right? I need to come anyway.
But I-
so you didn't approve it.
Oh,
Yeah. We wound up canceling the meeting, but
Yeah,
I
that's-
came in twice looking for this.
oh.
Oh, no, I thought I had to come to the meeting anyway to get it approved,
Okay.
that's why I didn't drop it, so.
All righty, thank you.
Good night.
Have a nice holiday.
Take care, happy holiday.
I guess we should stay just.
stopping it.
See you later, happy holidays, Bob, good to see you.
Yeah.
I think so. He lives on Sunset,
You got it.
This could be the next board member.
maybe. That's why he's
Okay.
observing, to see what to expect, I think. I don't know that to be true, that's just my hypothesis, just my thinking.
Good thinking.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's all.
it was mentioned.
It was? Okay, I did not know that. I know Chris is in, but, because we need five altogether.
This is-
He's a retired pilot.
No, I'm a former Catholic school student and I grew up running.
That is sad, that is so sad. Why you do this?
Why don't we wrap up the board
No, I'm sorry. Yes.
the meeting first?
Make a motion to adjourn.
I second it.
Those in favor?
Aye.
Got one more thing to sign. Hold on.